Voi na hianin pubi Lalchhanzova an ZPM minister zinga mi hei hi kan riek don ani video hi kan play tan ngal pop mai nga kan riek ngal hei pop pop mai don ani
Pubi Lalchhanzova Aizawl East True constituency atanga MLA Thlantlin chuan azir chuana zinga mi Mizoram Kendra International Youth Center atlo.
You will be delighted to know that Mr. B. Lalchhanzova, he is the Minister of Food and Land Revenue, Government of Mizoram. And in 2003, he was youth and he had taken the training of 1 month youth, 4 month youth leadership training program from Mizoram Kendra itself. And in 2000
kumsang ni so kumsang hi pathum dei to khanin kimi ai khanin alo zuk training to ni chu thali leadership training eng mania awa ponru vedro
youth leadership training program from Mizoram Kendra itself. And in 2020 itself, when there was the Zoom meeting, he tried to learn what is the development dynamics. And there was a huge program on Samarth with the collaboration with BOSS, and he was the trainee of that also. Now we are lucky, not only he is the member of Legislative Assembly of Mizoram, but he is also Honorable Minister. And sir, we all people from the Jubilant Bharati Foundation and Mizoram Kendra are highly welcome you, and we are so lucky.
So Dr. Izzi, मतलब ये इतने इनका
heti hi ka ngai to thina an nuam du motang an thatla Indian lekha an zira ti chuanin kumalo kal zela tuna chuanin an puitling felvek to a ti hianin a lekha zirna hmuna mo training an azuk nei na hmuna e ama a student ni sikha ama a student ni sikha tuna chuanin ministerin azuk let minister ni chungin azuk kal le thayania an nuam du motang
का इतना इम्पैक्ट है जैसा सर बता रहे थे कि डॉक्टर नामचे का जो हम देखते हैं इनको 2019 में इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया था तो 5 साल हो गए इनको हमारे साथ तो वेरी गुड कांग्रेचुलेशंस
hun manna
डॉक्टर इजवी हैं डॉक्टर मडके हैं डॉक्टर नामके हैं डॉक्टर उषा हैं तो जितने भी हमारे सीनियर्स हैं डॉक्टर मनोहर हैं तो दे आर डूइंग एक्सट्रीमली वेल गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल
doctor ho ne na ti khan lom puina pe chuak tu ho lan tu a an manga ti chonin enge thu asoidona hi kan riak leng
Mr. Vivek Prakash, Vice President and Head CSR Jubilant Bharati Foundation, and VYK, Chairman and staffs, and the people, the doctors who are coming here. Only a few words I would like to mention today. It is very much fortunate to meet you all and to have visited again this VYK after 20 years.
Vậy này hiện nang mani ho ka mu thei cheu le kum som ni nuwa heta ka local le thei hi ka lo me mani ti zong khanin soi meang
I was doing my blog placement in this Mizoram Kendra in 2003 when I was studying Master of Social Work from Mizoram University.
Mizoram University a Master of Social Work MSW Master of Social Work azir lai khanin kum sang ni pathum khan kita hen training alo ni chu
At that time, I never thought that I'll become an MLA and a minister.
khati hu lai kha chuanin MLA mo minister kan yang ti hi ka ngai tu ngai lo shrim shrim ring phalo shrim shrim
On my state, it is really very much a great achievement that I have met with the Mizoram Kendra in the same hall when we have been international youth meeting seminar. Anyway, today visit is to showcase that Mizoram Kendra is producing a youth living in Mizoram who become minister. And in 2003, after return back to my state, I was running an NGO called Kotna.
Imi Kotna ki Instagram apo ka follow maro chu followers atam lutuk lo nakina asan pai kan react don ya pubi Lalchhanzova ama NGO ki mo
From 2005 onward, I devoted my life to serve my community and running an NGO. And still now the NGO is doing very commendable work. And the people, the doctors who are coming together, I really appreciate you all. If you give more to your fellow human being, the blessing will come in a fold. This is tested for me also.
Tuna asoi poi mo deu ka ti chu in di sing pui te hne na na in thota ma pianga an mani ta na mal som na in ni tam po le khami mal som na kha in chunga aron le tang hemi ka nuna hianin a chiang ani ti in soila kalet su lawang a chan chu a video dang ho ka entoni a video dang ho tang phe chanin a chiang em mai ani tuna athu soi ki thorim na te taiman na te angai poi mo boxia.
Since I don't have any government background, but I devoted my life in social work. And now the people recognize me and chosen me, elected me as their MLA. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I request you all, anything you can for my state, Mizoram, in the future. Welcome you all to come over to my state. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Mizoram University Master of Social Work Azir Laikhan Heavy YKI hian block placement practical work thalit chung alo zuk zir to a VYK atang hian thil changkai tak tak azir chuak ani MLA Minister alo ni ta ka hian VYK lam hian an center tlo turin an base hle a nisom popwa thakhat sang nisom ni pali khan atro ta a tu sak takin an lo dong song ani kumsom nikal ta khan pubi Lalchhanzova hi MSW azir pui mon sang anen hen center a hian mol mang angring takin an luta kumsom ni nuwa chu center a chuan minister motorin aluta a he hian entir chu taimatak le rintlak taka shingnun man hian result tha athlen fau chin ti hi ani
taimatak le kami taimati kha nikhat phur thuta taimak thut khan mi lo nia tei rei pe consistency ni tin a taimataka hun man ni tin manin vong taka hun man kha poimo lo to ni
tun hun hi changkai takin mangila naktuk thazok alo her chuak zela
one thing, the youth like you are really asset for us.
Yes.
Because you have not only have taken the training from here, but you have trained so many youth,
Yes.
the thousands youth, and this is your just passion, and we need the passionate youth like your good self, sir. And we are honored that, in spite of your busy schedule, you have just recalled Mizoram Kendra and you have visited us. This is also really very good thing because.
kimi an CEO ti mai la pubi Lalchhanzova pu ti mai kimi na soi chu heta kumsang ni pathum khan training ron ne ya ti chonin chumi pi ala ma chonin kami an CEO vai khen mo ro pui de ti chu ro pui ti de chu pubi Lalchhanzova khen in training ron ne ni training a zuk ne ni chonin a training zowa thalai tam zok te na training a pe chong le theya kami a tui na kha ki khen in afakani
Sometimes what happen, people when achieves a great position or some heights, then he or she just forget about the where he has learned, where he has went through. So this is really, really appreciable. And Mizoram Kendra, on the behalf of Mizoram Kendra, you are highly welcome.
vai pa pona tha ti deu chu mi then kha chu din mun sang tak an thlen hianin an zir chuan ate le kha tiang an ron chor chuan ang chi te kha an thei ngil thina amaro chu nang chu hei minister in nu ni nu a po min lo sherenga elai huna te lo kala te alom khop mai ni
Greeting you all. It is really a very great privilege for me that I am in the Lalchhanzova Kendra International Youth Center, Chanakyapuri, New Delhi. It is something like a dream after 20 years when I was completing block placement around 4 months in Lalchhanzova Kendra when I was pursuing Master of Social Work from Mizoram University. At that time, I don't have the idea about the NGO, the grassroots presence and all these things. During my time when I was doing my block placement in Lalchhanzova Kendra, I was sitting in library, I was attending at the Vishwa Kendra social work activities, community works like visiting slum areas, attending the health camps. And at the same time, I was having opportunity to interact with the national level youth who are coming all the way from different states. At the time when I was in Vishwa Kendra, I was having the idea about the NGO.
Karinain saptong po ti thei phian mai khi mizo khen in mizo tong in a soi le don ani chuwan chonin kalet lo 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 mizo tong a soi kha kan long hang don ni
Then when I coming back to my state in Mizoram with some of my colleagues and my friends, we were forming an NGO called Kotnak. Today, I'm really thankful to Vishwa Kendra for giving me that opportunity to know about the NGO idea, to work with the community, having that space to interacting with the national youth who are coming from different parts of the state. We have been having a workshop and seminar interaction. After 20 years, when I was completing my block placement in Vishwa Kendra, then I was devoted my life to work with the people through NGO. And after that, I am being elected to become a people representative for Mizoram Legislative Assembly, and I am now appointed as one of the minister looking after land revenue and settlement along with food civil supply ministry. Min lo thlir tu zong zong te.
ani mel bil chian lo dol khop mai dro rin ain kumsang ni pathuma kuta block placement training ti menga khatiang kha Delhi a zuk nei ti chong kumsang ni panga a NGO Kotnar ti kha adina chemical tang khanin Mizoram mi puitan rong lo bol char char to a ti chong kumsang ni som ni pathuma ti hianin ai sang zo ka tanga mi pui rong bol sak thei turin ti khan pathianin a din mun a choi kanga nuwa ma tingo tang mo a chanju minister ani ma pon mi pui rong bol khan nuwa ma tia tuna minister ani na kal tlang khanin mi pui rong an bol don ni nuwa ma tingo tang ma po khian pathian chu tha ti va vi alom puyom khop mai pubi la chanjaw karina in belchen a dol dai mai sap tong po sin sia de dikhen series de win amanga zeblo chonin agramar te pokha dikfam kimlo amaro chu kan hrethiam vek a soitum kha khatianga huaitaka amang pop pop thei kha atha ka ti khop mai ke chonin kan minister te jinga Delhi lampo hei Delhi lama an tlatum kan ti thina a lo mak lem lo ani nu ma te hi an lo nei tha thei khop mai kan minister kan chief minister te ho hian aro pui thin khop mai thlabuan thla kom tak zet zet ani tikha kan soyange video le kan hmule don ne tuna hinin zing kara dia ka tong ring du vak lo a chan zum bidang an lam veka ti hianin voina thil ti tur ka neya tumi ka ti tur ka ti boi du si lova chuan chuanin zinga ka tho ma an ron riek zuai zuai ni ole video le kan hmule theu don ni a